Welcome to today's recipe, which is a one-pot wonder. You're going to find all of the ingredients listed in my one-pot wonder Ninja Foodi cookbook, and I'm sure you're going to find it simple and easy to follow. All of these recipes are super easy to create. One Pot Wonders is about making amazing food in one pot that uses several of the functions and different methods to get the most out of your Ninja Foodi. And of course, with the least effort possible. What I love about all of these recipes is that they are inclusive. And this means that you won't need to be cooking your rice elsewhere or putting your hob on to cook your vegetables. These truly are full meals made in your Ninja Foodi. So I really hope you enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to hit the like button for me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel as well if you haven't already. Let's get into today's one pot wonder, and I hope you really enjoy this. For me, a steamed meal is always going to be an amazing one pot wonder. And we've got 3 tiers of food here. So we've got our carb in the bottom, which is potatoes, and they're going to be mashed. We're going to have a layer of our carrots and then our pork medallions on the top. And the beautiful thing about this is that our mashed potato here is going to be cooked with garlic and also some sprigs of rosemary, and we're going to flavour it with parmesan as well, so it's going to be so yummy. So I'm going to make up some stock here. Doesn't matter what stock you want to use, whether it's chicken, whether it's vegetable, you know, both are going to work really nicely and add some good flavour. So it doesn't matter if this doesn't fully dissolve, I just generally give it a little stir. Try and mash it up a little bit. I've cut mine into batons. You can do them as rounds if you prefer to do that. And I find that carrots are absolutely fine just like this. I don't bother putting them in a foil packet or anything. I think they cook nicely just as they are. And then of course we need the top section there, and we need our pork. And we just switch over to the middle section, which is combi steam, and you'll see the first setting there is steam meals. I've transferred my potatoes, which have still got the garlic in there. There's a few little bits of rosemary which have just broken off the stalks as well. And the reason I've put it in here is because I've got a metal masher and I don't want to ruin my pot. But of course, if you've got a silicone one, you can do it directly in your pot. So that's a good tablespoon or a knob of butter, whatever way you want to look at it. So we can start to mash these up. Flavour in them, as you can imagine, but we want to make them even nicer by adding our parmesan, and this is some grated parmesan. You can grate your own, of course, as well. So a couple of tablespoons of that. So I'll be back when I'm ready to serve this up. I'm just going to mash this and we're ready to go. And my top tip really with this is the thicker your piece of pork, the more tender it will be. Made a very quick gravy with some granules, but using the flavours that we cooked this all in.